Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio G-Shock GA2200. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode, and it should look like this. And also the subdial should point to this point right here. But anyway, if not, then you can press the mode button and hold until it gives a double beep like that. And now we are in the timekeeping mode. Okay, next let's do the hands alignment. Anyway, you can also do the digital time adjustment first, but I will recommend to do the hands alignment first. And to do that, press and hold the adjust button, and yeah, still hold until it shows something like this, edge set, still hold. And yes, now if it shows SUB, sub, and flashing like this, you can release the adjust button. And now let's first do the hands alignment for this one, for the subdial. And yes, now it's already okay. It should point out to this one. But if not, then you can use the reset button and also the start button to move. So this one will move counterclockwise, the reset button, and the start button will move clockwise. So yes, let's set to point out to that one, the timekeeping dot right there. Okay, and then after that, press the mode button, and now the hands are moving, and it should point out to 12 o'clock position like this. But if not, then you can use the reset and start button to move. This one will move counterclockwise, okay, and then the start button will move clockwise. So it should point out exactly at 12 o'clock, sorry. And after that, you can press the adjust button to exit from this hands alignment. Okay, so for the hands alignment, the hands of the hour and minute should point out to 0 hour or 12 o'clock position, so not pointing out to current time. Okay, let's wait. And then next, let's adjust the digital time. And to do that, from this position or this view, press and hold the adjust button and release. So if it shows the city or the time zone, then just release, not press and hold any longer like the first one. Okay, now let's adjust the city or the time zone. You can use the reset button and start button to change the city or the time zone. Reset button will move to the west and the start button will move to the east. Okay, and because my city is the same time zone as PKK, then I will use this one. Okay, now you can press the mode button to move to the next setting, and that is this one, the daylight saving. You can use the start button to change, so this one is on and this one is off. Okay, press again the mode button, and now we are setting the time format. So this one is 24-hour format, and if you press the start button, it will change to 12-hour format and vice versa. So I will just set as 24-hour format. And then press again the mode button, and now is the second. For this one, you can use the start button to reset the second. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. But if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this one, okay? And yes, if 29 or less, like this. Okay, press the mode button, and now we are setting this one, the hour. You can use these two buttons. Reset will decrease, so it's like counterclockwise, and start will increase, so like clockwise. And then next, press the mode button, and now is the minute. Same thing, reset will decrease and start will increase. Again, mode button, and now is the year. Same thing also, reset will decrease and start will increase. Again, mode button, and now is the month. Reset will decrease and start will increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the date. Same thing, reset will decrease and start button will increase. Okay, press again, and now is the key tone. If you want the watch to be active as a mute or a silent button operation, then you can press the start button to show or to change to this one, the mute operation, meaning that if you press any button, it will not make any beeping sound. But still, for the alarm, timer, and also hourly signal, it will still give beeping sound. But for this one, let me set as normal like this, okay? And then press again the mode button, and now is the length of the backlight afterglow effect. We have two options. This one is 3 seconds, And if you press the start button, it will change to 1, meaning 1.5 seconds. So whichever you want, I will just set as 3. And then press Get Mode button, and now return to the setting of the city or time zone. And if you're done with the settings that you want, you can press the adjust button, and that's it. You have set the basic setting for this watch, for the hands alignment and also the digital time. And then for the hands, for the hour and minute, it will follow the time for the digital clock right here. So 21, 48, and 57. Okay, it will move. Okay, so the hands will move every 20 seconds, so every 1/3 of a minute. Okay, and that's all for the basic settings. Thank you for watching. I will also make a more complete version, meaning the detailed operation and setting for this watch. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.